Hello everyone, I just got a package in the mail from Speed. I'll show you here what I got. So this here is what I got in the mail. I bought the all the covers. Since I was making an order, these are pretty cheap. I figured I'd buy them. It's the door ones, and then the hinge covers as well. And then since I had the GCS AC knobs, I just went ahead and bought the mirror dial cover as well. Then on to the big thing here. Got the vortex generator, paint matched. It's a little expensive, but I looked into it and it is cheaper than buying the black one, and we're either wrapping it myself and then getting someone to wrap my roof. This was going to be cheaper, so figured I'd buy it. I haven't seen any other people on YouTube that have it, so I'll be showing you install of it later. Alright, so I have these door hinge covers, I think is what they're called. I'll show you just putting them on to match the covers I have here. So I think it's pretty straightforward. You just kind of slide it over. It's going to take a little bit of finesse to it. I'll try to see if I can do it here with one hand. There we go. Pretty simple. Sorry, I got the light kind of coming through the camera here. Should get a better... Yep, everything closes alright. Should have a better angle here where I can show you. This piece just simply fits over your existing and these don't snap as well as the striker covers. Maybe there's a little bit more to it, but they fit where they don't. They do kind of pop out, so let me do the other two here and show you. It just kind of fits on it real loosely here. It looks like it should kind of clip a little better. Yeah, these really don't fit very well. I'll do the last one here. So there's the last piece here. It doesn't really fit flush on the outside. So with these I'm not as pleased. I mean, these are all real cheap, like 10 bucks. But these striker cover panels are pretty awesome. These, they match, but I'm not sure if they're going to come off or not. But it's not a big deal either way. It's just some extra parts added to the order that I didn't want to pay shipping for. Alright, well thank you and have a good one.